Hello, hello, hello. Can anyone hear me? Okay, if you can hear me, please do let me know. Okay, today's topic is about the indicators, the indicators of the whole of the 20 years of trading experience. Okay, so what is the indicators that I use? Okay, and then there's one thing great about this is that okay, there's one thing great about this today is that the BTC has broken the two EMA 10 and EMA 20. So supposedly it will be it will be at a very good point today or tomorrow, okay, to enter the market. Okay, it will be a good time to enter the market either or tomorrow in the condition of if it's not is stabilizing down at the price of below above 31,000. Okay, above 31,000. Okay, great. Okay, how's everyone today? So have to share, please help me to share. And I have a lot, we have a new group chat. I have a new group chat. Okay, so it's Archie's chat room, so you can also talk to me in the chat room, and I will share all the information uh, from this through the chat room as well. Okay, so if you have anything, please do let me know in the live chat. Okay, live chat room as well. Okay, if you already see me, so please say hi, and then please do subscribe to my channel also as well. Okay, so I'm not quite sure if I'm live right now. Am I live? So let me check. Let me check. Okay, I'm still not live yet. So just wait for, I still have a countdown of like 30 seconds. So let's do it. Today is a great day. Okay, I have a two bad, not to say bad. Okay, because of this breakout today, yesterday. So I have a two trades that has been cut lost. I have two trade that has been cut lost. Okay, hi, hello. Good afternoon or good afternoon, or maybe whatever is your time zone is. Okay, whatever is your time zone is. Hello, say hi to everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, how's everything today? Yes, great. Hi everyone. Okay, today I'll be talking about the indicators. Okay, today I'll be talking about indicators. But before I start, okay, please do share it to your friends. Okay, and if you're on YouTube, just share out the YouTube live. And then if you're on Facebook, please do share the Facebook as well. Okay. Hi. I can't see your name, and then I have I have my own chat group. Okay, if you like to hear me more, you can join my live chat group in Huobi as well. Okay, in Huobi as well. Okay, so I'll every trade that I do, I will record it there, and then you can always. It's not an advice. Okay, it's just I can record my trade. So if you want to follow, feel free to do it. Okay. Hi everyone. Happy day today. Okay, today our yesterday Bitcoin, okay, BTC broke out. Okay, broke out of EMA 10 and EMA 20. So today, like previously, Okay, I did mention that previously. How many of you really joined my previous session? My previous live, did anyone join my previous live? If you did join, please type one. Okay, please type one so that if I know that somebody has joined my previous live, okay, please type one. Okay, if you have listened to my previous live, please type one. Okay, please type one. Okay, hello everyone, hello everyone. Okay, I'll start today. Okay, yesterday is a good day for Bitcoin, but today is a confirmation day. So if today Bitcoin doesn't fall below 31,000, okay, it's considered a 50% in day. So I will buy 50% of spot Bitcoin um, tomorrow or at tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, so that is my plan. But today I'm going to show you why I will do that. Okay, why am I going to do that? Okay, so today my topic will be okay because today actually this topic isn't. I think it's quite important today, but I think that tomorrow's purchase to Bitcoin is better. So I might cut the indicator short so that I can talk more to you on the Bitcoin you're gonna buy tomorrow. Okay, if you want to buy. Okay. Okay. So everyone, please do share to all the groups, everything. Okay, on Huobi so that everybody can reach our live and then can watch the live stream. Okay. I didn't see my live stream here, but anyway, okay, maybe it's not live yet. Anyway, okay, like later on after my live, please go to Prime Earn, okay, Prime Earn and try to snatch a bit of the Bitcoin or maybe your ETH that you have purchased, okay, throughout the time so that you can get on the Prime, okay, on the Prime Earn so that you can get more or return for USDT, okay, USDD and ETH and BTC. Okay, USDD today up at 7 if you have USDD on hand. Today, if 7, if you can get, you will get 50% APY. That is a lot of for a stable coin, a new stable coin that is found by Tron. Okay, it's a good thing. Okay, let's start for the indicators today. So there is a few, okay, throughout the years, I want to tell you about my story throughout these 20 years of trading. Okay, I started off trading with stocks, okay, stocks. So I went to, I have a lot of gurus and I have a lot of teachers, I have a lot of coaches, but they all have different styles of teachings. So I've learned a lot. I learned Fibonacci. I learned Elliott waves, like A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ABC. Okay, and then I learned momentum. I learned RSI. I learned SMA, EMA, 100, 200, or whatever. They have a lot of these kind of indicators. I learned a lot of these candlestick patterns, like what doji, what inverted hammer, like whatever. There's a lot of things that's going on. But from throughout the years of trading, okay, I traded first. I started with stocks and I lost miserably because I'm not experienced, and then that's where I go to a lot of coaches and a lot of gurus. Then after that I advanced into commodities. Okay, commodities is like uh, gold. It's like gold, corn, soybean, uh, or silver maybe. Okay, and then natural gas, and then plum light sweet crude oil, and then maybe some treasury notes and indices like S&P 500, like Nasdaq, something like that. Okay, so that is where I started. Okay, i never went into um I never went into, say, okay, why maybe people, maybe are you curious, why did I choose crypto? Like if you think that uh if you want to know why, I chose crypto, like click in like 666. Right, I'll tell you why I chose crypto 666. Give me a 666 and then I'll tell you why. Okay, so I first started with stocks and then I went into commodities. Okay, stock, I found out something about stock. Why? When I'm into stock, I found out stock price is influenced by a lot of things. Okay, first, it's influenced by the country, the governance of the country, and then the second is it's about the currency as well. Okay, it's about the currency because the currency is fixed. So if you are like in, okay, like currently I'm in Malaysia, so when I trade on Malaysian stocks, I am tied down to one currency. So you have to pay everything, you can transact everything with Malaysian ringgit. So if it's in Singapore, we have to transact in Singapore dollar. So meaning that if you purchase a stock in Singapore, you have to trade it in Singapore. So there's the exchange rate will get you a lot less of your income if you really make it. But when you lost any money, so it's even worse. So you are getting a less of less profit, and then if you get hurt, you get damaged even more. So that's why. So then, okay, let's it's governance, the currency, and then the country, and even the company itself, and then the competitor as well, and then or the institution, and then the boss itself. Okay, the company's CEO and the directors. Okay, see, there's 8 major things that really creates the price, that manipulates maybe the price. Okay, so this is about stocks. So then after I found out that wow, stock is so manipulated, let's go to something else. So I went to commodities. Okay, commodities. Let's make it like, okay, let's do soybean. Okay, soybean and wheat, and something like this corn. Okay, these are all um, agricultural products. So agricultural products, country doesn't have much say to it because most of the time this is the world, is a global demand for these crops or maybe these agricultural products. So there's only one, there is less factor of manipulation there because it's too huge for an institution to manipulate. But yes, manipulation is still there. So then one thing is that we have to look at the sky. Okay, that's one major thing, is the weather and the season, seasonal and the weather. So it's actually very easy to know that the price movement, because it's seasonal. The there's 4 seasons in a year, and then it's fixed, and then it's easier for you to predict the, the the price movement. And then government has less control of it, and then because we only transact in USD, so there is less currency of this fiat transactional thing. Okay, so the expenses or all the profit will be more, and then all the exchanges will be less. Okay, then after that I went into crypto. Okay, crypto is something that when it's decentralized, for me, when it's decentralized, okay, for stocks and commodities, mostly news, fundamental news is very important, and then it really have the sign on, um, have an effect, have a huge effect on the commodity or the stock itself. But in crypto, most of the time, maybe 80%, 90% is nothing related to the news. It's just pure supply and demand, some well manipulating, and then some big companies or big institution manipulating, and it's pure technical. It's pure technical. So it's easier to use this into the chart, so that it's easier to use these indicators and all the technical analysis into crypto as it's less on fundamental and then news as well. Okay, so if you agree with me, please give me an 888. Okay, 888. If you agree with me, please key in an 888. Okay. Hi everyone. Hello. Okay. So that is how I get into crypto, and then it's been a long time. I've been into crypto 2018. Okay, and by then the price is very good. Quite now compared to now, it's still very good back then. But today, if you don't start to do it, so you will be like me saying this the price is good back then. Okay, but anyway, let's go to the indicator. So we have a few things. First, later on after my live, there's prime earn. Please go in and try your luck and get your prime earn. See if you can get any high yield USDT, ETH, BTC, and USDD. Okay, so after the live, the second thing is that today is a breakout day for this BTC on 10 EMA and 20 EMA. So it's a tomorrow good day tomorrow to enter the market and purchase spot USD. Okay, later on I'll show you the chart. Okay, previously I did show you the chart of all the segment there, but I think I'll show it again today because today there's a breakout day today. Okay. Okay, so for all the indicators out there, I have learned a lot. But what is really useful to me? Okay, so today I'm going to tell you what is useful to me. It might not be useful to you, but it's useful to me. But I'm willing to share how do I use it, and then how do I really appreciate these indicators and bringing me a lot of wealth. Okay. Okay, let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart today. Okay, let's go to the chart. Okay, let's go to the chart now. Okay, so here is the chart. Okay, today we are you are looking here now at Bitcoin. Okay, BTC, and then today there is a huge breakout here. Okay, breakout of the 10 and 20 EMA. Okay, most of the time I use 10 or 9 EMA. Okay, it depends on we have to back test it, and then usually I'll do the back testing. So if it's a 10 or 20, a 10 or 9 or 11 EMA pairing with 19, 20, and 21 EMA. So I'll back test and see if it's seasonal. Okay, it's seasonal. It's like when I trade commodities, it's seasonal. Sometimes the summer comes earlier, and then sometimes the summer comes later. So it really matters. Okay, it really matters. But currently is 10 and 20 EMA is the best for me. Okay, so you can always use these free trading view charts. Okay, you can set EMA 10. Okay, I'll let you know the settings. Okay, here's the setting. If you can screenshot or anything you would like to screenshot. Okay, so this is the 20 EMA. Okay, 20 EMA. Okay, so it's just 20 length, everything is the same. Okay, that is the basic two lines that I'll be looking into, and then most of the time I'll be looking into daily charts. Okay, day charts. Okay, day chart, you'll be if you're using this method, you'll be trading like maybe 6 times a year. This is not a lot. 6 times a year. If you know how to play futures, if you know how perpetual, you can have maybe 12 trades a year. Okay, so if you want to have more trades, okay, I will tell you another story about it. Okay, if you have more trades for futures and perpetual, yes, our derivatives, I'll tell you later on. Okay, so how do I use these two analysis? And then okay, I'll teach you the third one. The third one is RSI. So RSI is a 14 SMA 14. So this is a standard RSI. So we don't really change it much, but the indicator is still 70 to 30. So let me show you the settings. So RSI length will be 14. So SMA 14 2, and then the Okay, so this is all standards, okay, on TradingView. And then the top overbought will be 70, and then oversold will be 30. Okay, so I'll later on I'll teach you how to see. So for the RSI, okay, for the RSI I will be teaching that is more on futures, more on trading futures. Okay, more on trading futures. Okay, then okay, first I'll have to tell you about this. Okay, if you follow my previous live, um, if you follow my previous live, I've been talking about this past, okay, in the previous live. But today I'm going to repeat this again because I want to let you know that the opportunity is here in these few days. Okay, so let's back test it. Okay, back test the our method, and then I'll let you know. Okay, so let's back test it to let me see, okay, let's back test it in a year. So we just go back to 2021, and then 15th of May. Okay, so look at that. How do we use it? Okay, so we start it off. Let's say we start it off here. Okay, we start it off here. Okay, how do we actually use this EMA 10 and 20? How do we usually use it? Okay, we usually use it when there's a breakout or breakdown of it. Okay, when it's a breakdown, we'll short it with 1x, okay, or maybe 5 if you have more, if you want to take the risk. Okay, 1x or 5x if you have this risk appetite. Okay, then we will short it, or we're gonna long it. When longing it, we just buy spot. Okay, we just buy spot. Okay, let's go back to somewhere here. Okay, let's go to maybe 2001. Okay, let's do it here. 2020. So we go back a little bit furthermore. Okay, so we go down. Okay, okay, so this is the peak. Okay, this is a peak. Where is this a peak? Is there another peak? Okay, this is the peak. So last year May is here. Okay, so how do we trade? So how do we trade? Let's see. How do we trade? Okay, let's see if there's any message currently for me. Okay, so how do we trade? So it's easy, very easy. Please, is this for Luna C? Love Fallout Lunatic. Okay, Luna C. Luna. Okay, Luna C. Okay, okay. Okay. Why 10 or 20 EMA? Okay, why? Luna Classic. Okay, 5 to $1 billion. Okay, airdrop is on. Airdrops. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so how we're gonna trade? Okay, usually we'll look for something like this. Okay, imagine. Okay, let's imagine that this is the day. So when the cross is here, for example, the cross over two lines. Okay, this 10 and 20 EMA. Okay, then the next day, if it doesn't touch any line like this one, okay, so I'll just zoom a bit more in so that it's easier for you to have a look. Okay, here, so we will short here. Okay, we will short here. See, when it crosses the line, any of these, and then there is another one without touching any of the line. Okay, without touching any of both EMA or 10. Okay, if you want to wait for the cross, it will be a bit late. Okay, it will be a bit late. If you want to wait for the cross, it will be a bit late. So we do it earlier. It's like 2 days earlier. Okay, so when we are here, we'll purchase it here. So we'll let it run. Okay, this is where we short, because when it crosses down, we're gonna short it. So we're gonna short it here. Okay, we're gonna short it here. Then we'll exit. See, when we short, we start shorting here. Okay, then we'll exit here. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same rule. When this crosses and then one lift off from the line, we will exit the next day. Okay, so this is a losing trade. This is a losing trade. Okay, let me see. This is a losing trade. Okay, this is a losing trade. Let me see. Okay, the price range. Okay, this is a losing trade. So we lost, say we take in the middle of the line, the candle. So we lost about 14%. Okay, we lost about 14%. Okay, so I'll have a calculator here with me. So imagine that last year, past year, if you invested uh 10 10,000 USDT. Okay, 10,000 USDT, you minus, okay, you lost a 14.27%. Okay, so we have left 8,572. So we'll go for the next. So from here, after we short it and then it lifts off and then it changes direction, we will close the short and then we'll go for long. Okay, we'll go for long. So we'll go for long. So imagine that we are longing it here. So see, well, it's all the way going up. Okay, all the way going up. So we're gonna look for an exit point, which is here, the cross, and then the lift off, and we will close the next day. So we will have this profit from here to here. Okay, so we just take the middle of the candle. So we have made 28%, 28 plus 28.33%. So we gain, now we are 1000 over gain. Okay, so here when we have closed here, so we're gonna short here again. Okay, we're gonna short it since it's already short. Okay, so we're gonna short it, but we lost again. See, so this is where we lost. Oh, here. Okay, here we lost. Okay, so we lost 15.7 minus 15.17. Okay, then we will long again here. Okay, we will long again here. We will long again here, or we can buy a spot. So we're long again here. So let's see if it. Okay, okay, here. So it's a loss. Okay, it's a loss. So we lost roughly around 3%, minus 3.55%. Okay, so we were going to short it again, and then we're going to lose again. Okay, we lose again here. We are going out here. So another 10%, minus 10.16%. Okay, then it's a long day again here. So when we close our short, we will long. Okay, why we do not short high leverage? Because we do not put stop losses. We do not put stop losses. So that's why we only trade times x1 or x5. That's it. So my personal x1. Okay, we're gonna do x1 only. Okay, so here we're gonna long from here. So it will go all the way here. So we're gonna go out here. Okay, we long here and then we exit here. So it's another 4.7 down, 4.78% down. Okay, then we are shorting it here. Okay, so we start to short here. See, okay, it's a loss again. Let me see if it's a loss. Yes, it's a loss, a mere 1.8%, 1.84%. Okay, we are down to 8,898 right now. 8,898 right now. So we are going to long it from here. Here we start long. Okay, see, if this happens today, then tomorrow is no trade. Okay, so we are longing here. So we're getting out here. So this is a city trade as well. Let me see. Okay, we long here and then we go out here. so we are down with 12.26%, so we are left with 7,800. Okay, from here we start to short. So let's see the short. Wow, this short is quite a good one. Okay, okay, we are getting out here. So this short gain us 19 point plus 19.34%. This strategy, when you lost a little bit, but if you gain, the percentage is higher. Okay, the percentage is higher. So here we're gonna long again. Okay, long, and then it's a loss. Okay, you imagine if you do not have this strategy, and then you lost, you didn't exit the trade, so you will be gaining more losses. Okay, from here, okay, to here, actually we long here, but it's not a good trade, so we're locked down with 11.74%. Okay, so here we start to short. Okay, we short from here. We are shorting, there's nothing go above the line, so we continue here, so we are exiting here. Okay, from here we short, and then we're exiting here. Okay, so we are plus with 2.31%. Okay, so we're going long here. Okay, breakout, lift off, and then we purchase the next day. Okay, so we're going long here. So this is a huge gain. Okay, this is a huge gain. See, okay, we're exiting here. Here, we're exiting here. So we gain a 32.46%. Then we start to short here. We start to short here, and then it's a loss. So because it's rebounded here, here. Okay. So we are down with 3.91%. Okay. Then we long again from here. We are long again from here. So we are, wow, this is a good one. Okay, we are off here. Okay, so this is the strategy I use, and then I feel that previous this strategy doesn't even work in stocks and commodity. It doesn't work at all. It doesn't work at all. It doesn't work that way. So you are 25.09% extra. Okay, then from here we're going to short the market, because when we go up and then we exit the trade, we're going to short it. Okay, so we are off here. Okay, we short it from here, then we are off here. So let's see from the middle of the candle. So this is another 14.7%, 71% profit. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna long, but unfortunately it didn't make it, so it's a loss of 6.97%. Okay, then we start shorting it here. So the short, look at that, the whole way. The short is here. We start shorting it here, and then we exit it here. We gain another 10.92%. This is a gain. Then we'll long here, then we'll make a loss as well here. So we're going to make a loss here of a mere 4.6. Okay, when you gain a lot. Okay, when you gain a lot, but when you lose, you make the wrong decision, it's another way around. So it's not about correct or not, it's about the discipline of following the system. Okay, so this is where the zigzag, so you might be profiting a little bit, and then here. Okay, from here we're gonna short it, but it went up, so we are down with 10 minus 10.26%. Okay, and then from here we long, and then we are short again. Okay, we are long here, and then we are out here, so another minus 11.44%. Okay, and then when we short, we are out here again. So this is a continuous 3 times losses, minus 5.94%. Okay, but then when we go for long here, so it went up the other way around. Okay, here we made a little bit of profit of 3.73%. Okay, and then we start shorting it, and then it's all the way around down, 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 down until today. Okay, so this is now, okay, here. So tomorrow estimated will be here. So you gain another 26.7%. So overall, from last year until today, okay, if you trade all the trades or similar trade, you won't go, you will get around 48% return. Okay, 48% APY. Okay, from today. Okay, so today, why do I have to emphasize on today's chart? Because there is a breakout and then a lift off, and then tomorrow we're gonna sell the short, we're gonna close the short, and then we'll go for long. Okay, we'll go for long. So that is tomorrow's strategy. So it's not a lot of trade. Now look at that. Okay, if I go for a month, okay, oh, cannot. Okay, we go for, still go for the day. Okay, so there's a few trades. Okay, in a year, let's count how many trades we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So in a year, we have only like 12 to 23 trades. If you go only for the spot and then you don't go for the future short, you only have like 12. That's the maximum, or usually in a year. So imagine if you're trading in a year for 12 times and then you gain like 48% PA. So it's a good thing. Okay, you might be telling me that this is not a very good this is not a very good income for me. Okay, the APY for like 48% is too low. But imagine this, when your capital is big, one most important thing is conservation. Okay, the most important thing is not to lose money, to conserve it, to save it, even though the profit is lower, but to maintain the profit is the most important thing. Okay, but it doesn't bother if you earn less, but the most important thing to conserve your capital. 保本 okay, you have to protect your capital. That is the most important thing you're going to do. Okay, so for here, okay, this is the first indicator that I'm going to do. Okay, so here we're gonna have this 48% APY. So I'll clear the chart. Okay, remove drawings. Okay, so tomorrow, okay, today is a very huge breakout today. Okay, so if tomorrow it doesn't touches this line today, by today, if it doesn't touch this line, it's good to go tomorrow. So tomorrow is a good day to long Bitcoin. Okay, not too long. For me, I'll just buy spot with 50% of my capital. Okay, I will buy and then I'll keep until the indicators ask me to sell. Okay, when the indicator asks me to sell, I sell all. Okay, I mean all, I sell. Okay, I don't keep any, I sell all. Okay, so that is how we gain. Okay, understand it? Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to use this RSI for future. So there might be a lot, you might be an experienced user. If you know already RSI, I'm just telling you my style of trading. Okay, so when you are trading RSI, we most of the time we look for we look for we look for overbought or oversold. Okay, so I will always use the first method first. Okay, we go to day chart and then we determine the trend. Okay, for example, for the past few days, the trend is downtrend, downtrend. So when downtrend, I will sell on oversold. I won't buy on over. Sorry, I will sell. I will short on overbought. I won't long on oversold when it's downtrend. So you need to know the trend. Okay, we need to know the trend first. Okay, so when let's say okay, we go 1 day, and then this is all the indicators. When you have it, it will have these indicators going on. Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry, this is a month. Sorry, we go 1 hour. Okay, so we will back test it to say here 1 hour, so we'll go to somewhere here. Okay, so we only do short when it's downtrend. So if it's uptrend, we only do long, we don't do short. So we don't fight the trend. Okay, we don't fight the wave, we ride on the wave, we ride on the trend. So here this is a downtrend, so we'll try to this is a downtrend where it's over. Sorry, let me check what's the date. This is April 27, so it's still downtrend. So I'm not going to buy long here, so I'm gonna only do over overbought. Okay, here. Okay, when it's here, when it's overbought. Okay, when it's overbought, you we have to have some trend line here. Okay, we'll draw some line. Okay, we'll draw some line. So we'll draw here, look at that. Okay, we can eliminate all the wicks. Okay, then we'll draw a line here as well. Okay, see, when there's when it's still going up, but the RSI saw a divergence of going down or just flattening up, so it means that the momentum is gone. So momentum is a bit gone. So imagine if you are looking at the chart like this, you do not know that what will happen next. Okay, so but when you see this, you will find out that when at the actual price is going up, but the oversold overbought area is going flat. Okay, so then what are we going to do? We will draw a trend line here. Okay, trend line here. Okay, and then okay, we'll do a trend line here on this triangle. Okay, here from this to here. So we're gonna short on the breakout. Okay, when there's a breakout and then there's a lift off. Okay, lift off the trend line. Sorry, lift off the triangle. Okay, so if imagine if you are doing this, we can do this. Okay, the trend line. Okay, then when it's out and then lift off, I will start to short here. When we short here, I will short 200x at 10% of my capital, 3% of my 10% capital, so it's very less. Then I will short it at 200x. Okay, 200x or maximum leverage. So then I will find this resistance and okay, um, do this line. When I short here, I will do this support and resistance line here, somewhere here, and then another one is here. Okay, then sorry, here another line is here, then put another line here. Okay, so this line, how do you draw a line? um, Actually, the line should be something like this. Okay, it's quite near to each other. Okay, and then all the gaps, usually it's a bit even. Look at that, it's a bit even. Okay, then I will, when I short here, the short started here, I will put my stop loss here. Okay, let's check my stop loss. Okay, here. Usually I use a phone, so it's easier for me here. Okay, short position. Okay, so the lift off, we'll do it on the lift off. Okay, so here maybe mid of it, and then the profit taking will be here. Then the short cut loss will be above 1% above, so it's easier to count. So it's 4062, 40 on the resistance, 692 plus maybe 1 to 2%, so maybe a 1.5%, so 4130. So 4130. Okay, 1% should be enough. Okay, 1%, so roughly here. Okay, roughly here. Okay, so your the ratio will be 1.43, 1.43, and then that's how we get into the trade. Okay, so if it doesn't hit, we can always adjust the profit, and then we can uh, adjust the stop loss down, okay, to trailing stop loss if it goes a lot more down. Okay, so this is the techniques that I feel that is the best over these 20 years of time. Okay, I learned a lot of Elliott wave, and then with Doji, and then a lot of these other instrument, other technical analysis. But I just cannot, I just cannot find that sometimes it's too complicated. So this is easier. So if you agree with me, if you agree with me, please type 666. Okay, if you agree with me, type 666. I like a clean and easy chart to read. Okay, I like it clean, I like it easy to read. Okay, I like clean, I like it easy to read. Okay, so I hope that my my analysis over these 20 years is actually benefiting you, or is actually benefiting you. So actually, you know what, in the past 16 years, I've been trading, and then okay, I made some money, and then I lost some money, and then I learned a lot of things, and then I made more on commodities, and then I learned a lot. But then I found out one thing: all the 16 years of learning I did is all for crypto, for this crypto. Okay, so it's so easy. So when I jumped into crypto, it's so easy for me to like hang on to it, and then I really appreciate that I started like 20 years ago. I started 20 years ago. um, so if you didn't start 20 years ago, it's okay, but I'll let you know that what my experience is, so that you can have less um, obstacles during the time. So if you don't mind, we can share each others, and we share with each others. I have a new group. Okay, I have a newly established Facebook group, and I have a Telegram as well. Okay, it's a new one, so there's not a lot of people there. Okay, and then you can join my Huobi chat group as well. I have my own channel, Huobi chat group, so I will always post my trade there, and then on the Facebook as well, and also on this Telegram. Okay, so so this is my, okay, this is my Facebook channel. and my Telegram channel. So you can screenshot it, or you can like copy it down, and then you can join my Facebook and my Telegram as well. All my trades, I will post it there. All my trades are posted there, even though if it's a profit or it's a loss, I always post it there. So when you look at my style of trading, there is always losses and there is always winnings, but the most important thing is to win bigger and to lose less. Okay, that is one of my experience of. Okay, so uh let's let's look at it. Okay, for those, anyone from Malaysia here, anyone from Malaysia here, okay, anyone from Sarawak 可以讲中文吗？ Yes, I can speak Mandarin, 我可以讲中文 but now my life is in English. So anyone from Kuching in Malaysia. Okay, tomorrow, because tomorrow is a good day, so I plan to have an offline class tomorrow uh, in one of our own cafe in Kuching. Okay, in one of our cafe in Kuching. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. You just pay 20 ringgit. Okay, for the uh, refreshments. Okay, and then I'll teach you from how, because for newbies, if you know how to use Huobi, and then I'll teach you how to use Huobi, and then how to set the trading view charts. Okay, tomorrow I don't charge anything, so the 20 ringgit goes to the cafe for the refreshment. Okay, because we're using the space, so it's not good that we do not buy anything or anything, right? So I'll bring my own projector, everything. So tomorrow, because tomorrow is a good day, so I'll teach everybody how to purchase. Okay, if you interested to buy or anything, okay, tomorrow I have an offline in Kuching. So I'm from police. Wow, there's a lot of Malaysian here around. Hi. I'm Malaysian from Sarawak. Okay. Hi, nice to see you all. Okay, you speak Cap Verdi. Sorry, I cannot read that. Okay, send the link. Okay, you can screenshot it and then you can join it. Okay, I am from Sarawak. Good. If you're in Kuching, tomorrow you're invited, and then you can go to my Facebook group, and then I'll send you the location, and you can come in, and then we have just a small group offline. It's a small one. Just to teach basic of how to use Huobi Trading View and how to purchase fiat, and then how to read the charts. Okay. Okay, so 219 666. Okay, very good. Interesting. Have to going to doctor because COVID see you soon. Okay. What indicator to get percent? Okay. Wo ani. Okay. All right. I long tomorrow. Got it. Okay. Don't long yet because we have to see today's chart. Today's candlestick. So if it doesn't break down lower than 31K, go for it. Go for a long. Okay. What indicator? The lines, you're perfect. I want what indicator to get. This remind me of my 3 years long college days. Didn't understand and learn a single thing. Yes, that is how I started 20 years ago. I have to start from stupid candlestick patterns and this and that. But there's a lot of sifu out there. There's a lot of gurus and coaches out there. But one thing is that it's not easy. From learning is not easy, but after I filter all the styles and all the technical analysis from other gurus, so these are the one that I found the best suits me. It might not suit you, but I will try my best to let you know how to use it. Okay. 洋人讲的听不懂，真烦。Okay, super. 能讲中文吗？可以呀，我可以讲中文啊。I'm ready to go long. Yes, I want airdrop. Not only you, nobody says correct. It's not magic. Any advice for very small investor? Go small. Okay. Chan 98. Any advice for very small investor? Go slow. Don't do futures. Okay. Go slow. If you have 100, just go on spot. Don't do futures. Futures will get you burn you will get burned all the way. Okay, don't do futures, do spot, and then go all get all the airdrops, everything, sell it. Okay, can I say that here? I'm not quite sure if I should say that. Sell it and get. But for those who have huge, higher, say higher capital, you can keep all the airdrops or from all the other coins, all the alternate coins. The art of losing, I see. Be patient. It's a waste, guys. Who, uh, okay, the line, Luna, what indicator are you gonna? Okay, follow Bitcoin. Okay, so I think I concluded all. West Africa. Okay, I'm from KL. Yes, West Africa. I'm going to KL for I'm going to have a class in KL. Say, I think 23rd of June. Okay, I'm going there for a conference. Okay, your channel please. Okay, you can always the channel for Huobi in Huobi. Okay, you can always go out there and then you can click down below there to join the group. Okay, so if you want to join my Facebook, you can click the screenshot it and then you can join it there. And then the other one is my Telegram group as well. So I'll post in both, but I'll mainly focus on FB. So if I don't have much time, I'll only post on FB. So I hope really all can join my FB group. Okay, when can we meet at KL? Okay, sure, sure. Okay, if I can have my class there, I will certainly do that for you. Okay, Tiapo, I'm super new here. Tiapo, Tiapo, what is Tiapo? Okay, so now it's Malaysian time is 6:53. Okay, if you have all, you have USDD on hand, go for the um prime earn and then maybe USDT and ETH and BTC as well. Okay, so I think I'll end my talk today. um I'll be having my next live say end of this week or maybe next week. Okay, because it's a holiday season right here now. So I hope to see you again soon. If you like me or you like what I teach, and then we can have a longer conversation real soon. Okay, thank you all for today. And then remember to go check the prime earn out and then to look at the chart today. So if it doesn't break, I will always announce all the technical things on my Facebook page. It's easy and clean. I don't talk cock. Sorry, I just um, post all my trades out. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.